Hi guys, we arrived in beautiful Palm Springs. Look at the palm trees, not Chad. Show them the palm trees.
Show them me. Yay.
We ran into a bunch of YouTubers while we're here, so we're gonna do a huge collab and build the world's tallest box fort.
There you go. Trying to create a little stability here, add a little tip to my double column. I got a key here. Let's see if the key will cut the tape. Come on. Oh, it worked.
I got a real cutting device, not like Chad. My strategy is using all the same box sizes so it'll be more stable. Hopefully I'll build something amazing.
Well, aren't you smart? It's getting tall now. This is the worst right here when the tape seals itself and you can't find where the edge is, right? I think it's here somewhere and I gotta scratch around. I can't get it.
He said 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Look at that. Look at that, 5 seconds later.
Oh, wow.
I'm hoping to build like the tallest fort because I'm like super tall, you know? This guy here was gonna take my box away from me, and I was like, hey!
You guys are getting close to the end. We might want to think about how this all can start to connect to build the massive fort.
It's probably gonna be about the size of a football field, maybe. It's getting pretty tall, it's out of my reach, so I'm hoping this is gonna work. It's really graceful, you know? It's pretty tall. Is it taller than Chad?
Should I go even higher? I think I should go even higher, right?
Alright guys, comment below who you think will build the taller fort, Chad or V. Comment Chad tall or V tall if you think I'm gonna build the tallest fort.
Chad, move! You can't get taller than Chad.
Hi guys! A little hand. I just finished building my tall tower, and then we're gonna combine it all with all the YouTubers that are here to build the biggest box fort ever. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up right now to give us positive vibes that we're going to break the world record for biggest box fort. Long fort. Alright guys, I made it down to the box fort, and apparently these guys are the master box fort maker. They're like running the whole entire show. This is Andrew from
4J Stew.
So what's the goal here, you guys?
Just to use as many boxes as possible to make a huge fort, which I think we're doing a good job. We did this part, it actually looked different when it fell down, so I mean everyone's doing a better job than we are.
So maybe go back to your blueprint and work it out, and then we can all build a huge, giant box fort together.
Yeah.
We met more YouTubers who are building box fort. Introduce yourself.
I am Clay from channel The Haunted Adventure. And I'm Raquel from the channel Haunted Adventure. And I'm Kesley from the channel The Leroys.
Oh, I was gonna say Ohana Adventures. How do you guys feel about your box fort? Pretty unstable. Oh! Attack! My gosh! Building box fort can be kind of dangerous, you guys. Really like this fort here. It came with a handy camera on it, so that's like, it's really high tech, you guys. This looks really stable. Alright, thank you so much, you guys.
Welcome to the largest box fort hallway right here. This is the largest box fort bazooka. I'm gonna try to get my box fort. Check it out. I'm gonna see if I can get mine on top of these box forts. Ready? You think I can do it? If you guys think I can do it, type in Chad's the best. If you think I can do it. That's a bad idea. The chandelier of pieces flew right by my eye. It just grazed by my face.
Right here!
I saw it coming down and went right by my face.
And let me tell you, when Chad was a baby, a chandelier fell on him.
Yes, I got a scar on my thing right here from when I was a baby. Almost repeated that. This fell off the ceiling, almost hit me in the face.
You should put it as a chandelier in the box.
There you go.
Ooh.
And then the second chandelier, I was dusting a chandelier in our current apartment, and it just fell on me while I was dusting it. And now the third chandelier here, pretty much every chandelier that I come across tries to fall on top of me, so I just have bad luck. That was a very bad idea.
Don't do this at home.
Maybe I should have moved it over here first. Now I think I can try it again.
Yeah?
All right, V, you stand over there so you can catch it if it falls over.
Okay.
It's gonna hit the ceiling.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! It's still heavy! It's so hard to balance. Oh no! Oh no! I can't balance it. Oh no! It's falling apart! Oh.
We're gonna retape it and try again.
Box fork fail. We're gonna try to find some tape. Brighton is gonna get on my shoulders and assist me to put this box on that box. All right, you good? All right, here we go. We got this. You can do it, you can do it. I'm gonna hand it back up so you can be straight. Oh yeah, we got this. We got it. You can do it, you can do it. Yeah! That was awesome. Dude, that was awesome, dude.
I'm super afraid to let go.
They're not over. World's tallest box fort, right there. A couple more boxes and it'll be touching the ceiling. Going up, going up. This box fort needs an elevator. Leave a comment down below guessing how tall this box fort is. You can use meters or feet.
The best part of all is destroying our own fort. I think I'm gonna tackle it like a football player. Oh my god!
Just went under the world's tallest box fort. Whoa! Should I try next? All right, I think it's my turn to try that. You ready? I'll go in through the other side.
Chad.
I got this. I'm tiny. All right, I got this. Wait, my head doesn't even fit through here. How'd her whole body go through here? Oh my gosh. I don't know how you guys get through there. V could probably fit.
All right, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna think like I'm super tiny and then just go through.
I don't think you can do it, V. Oh my gosh, maybe she'll do it. Oh, you're doing
I
it!
can totally do it. The small spy, you know? I can fit into any small spaces. All right, guys, we're gonna walk through the whole entire box fort. Right here, starting with the tunnel.
Let's see if I can fit through there, huh?
Oh, geez, Chad's like knocking it over.
Are you calling me fat? There's an opening! I found an opening!
There's a pretty tight space around here. I feel like we're going into like an abandoned box fort. It's pretty dark. Oh, it's like a skylight right here.
Hey, this is my bedroom! Get out of here! I'm sleeping!
I'm coming in anyways. Woo, we escaped.
Woo. That was like only 20% of the whole box fort.
Yeah.
There's a lot more to see.
This wall here is pretty short. It's like a my-size wall. You can't really keep anybody out or in. Fun fact, we actually built that tallest one over here.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
I am impressed.
Yeah.
You guys are like the tall builders.
Oh,
over here.
yeah.
You want to show us what you built?
Yes. See, I built this invisible.
Whoa, I love it!
Thank you.
It's see-through.
Yes.
The door that you built here, it's
Yeah.
really nice.
Very convenient,
Oh,
right?
it's a silent, nice and silent door. Doesn't squeak at all. Oh, and the lock, it locks. Cool.
It was really hard to make a lock out of cardboard.
I bet, but you're that talented.
I'm that.
Yeah. You forgot. All right, let's this way. You missed a little turn here, Chad.
This is the living room area.
This is more comfortable than the IKEA furniture, I think.
Where's the cardboard TV though? I don't see it. Someone must have taken it. Oh, the chandelier. Here's the chandelier that almost fell on my head. Or hope it doesn't fall on my head again. That was the girl cave. I thought it was the living room, but it was the girl cave. I'm not supposed to go in there.
No wonder why it was just so beautiful. We're here at the end of the box fort, and of course, we always save the best for last. That is our tower. The best part of all is destroying our own fort. The tallest one, we're not gonna destroy everyone else's. You know, we're gonna save it there, but we're gonna destroy our own. Are you ready, Chad?
How are we gonna destroy it? How you wanna do it?
I think I'm gonna tackle it like a football player.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm built like one.
Oh, yeah, you are. I was thinking like a karate kick.
Okay.
But you can tackle it if you want.
All right, tackle and grapple.
Tackle and grapple.
Okay. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, you knocked me over.
I didn't touch you. You knocked yourself
You're
over.
supposed to knock the box fort over, not me, Chad. It wasn't real football, okay? Thank you so much, you notification squad, for being here in the first hour of our video. I'm showing your comments right here. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, click right here. And if you're not subscribed to Chad yet, click right there. And check out this awesome video right here and this new video right there. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. There's a link on it in the description below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.